Bunnies, for today's Naked Sunday. I know you guys have been waiting. Okay, maybe not. For today's Naked Sunday, before we get started, again, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. I am drinking the same drink I had a couple videos back. It was the Appleton with apple juice. It actually tastes really, really good. And this, my birthday was on Monday, and my mom got me a bottle of Appleton, so I finished the one I had before, and I started this new one. Can I tell you how good this thing tastes? If you have it, go grab it. If you don't have it, choose your drink of choice and come back and join me. So for today's Naked Sunday, we're going to be talking about the importance of good sex. Anybody can have sex. Sex is sex is sex is sex. The difference with good sex, though, is that it makes you feel better. With regular sex or boring sex, basic sex, sex where you don't have a good climax, you tend to get frustrated, you tend to get annoyed, you tend to start to, get frustrated, you start to resent the person that you're with or having sex with, and no one should feel that way. Sex is fun, sex is something you should be enjoying with your partner, right? Right. The benefits of having good sex is that really, when you get that climax, when you have that nice vagina or that nice penis, it releases these endorphins inside of you, these feel-good endorphins, where after you came or whatever, you just feel light and breezy, and you just want to skip through a field of sunflowers, and you want to hug little babies and help old people with their groceries across the streets. You just feel like a better person, okay? If you are finding that your sex is not as enjoyable with the person you're with, talk to them. Let them know how you are feeling, because nothing is going to change unless you make that change. If you say something to the person, figure out if you need to, incorporate toys. Figure out if you need to incorporate another person. Think about if maybe you guys just need a break. Maybe you need to probably see other people and get your rocks off somewhere else. Only you guys know, because you guys are in that relationship. But again, communication is everything. So talk to your partner about how you're feeling and what you're expecting. But good sex, not just any sex. While sex is important, in relation, some people will say sex is not important. It's really not. Good sex is important. Sex where you feel good afterwards. Sex where you're craving the person throughout the day. Sex where when you think back to the sex, even if it's like just sex on a couch or sex in a car or sex in a park or sex wherever, even if it's just a quickie, you think back to that moment and it puts a smile on your face. That is what good sex does. It instantly puts you in a better mood. Thinking about this person, thinking about their breasts, their penis, their vagina, thinking about their shoulders, their back, the way their hands feel on you or inside of you or whatever. These little things benefit your life, make your overall day so much easier, so much better, so much freer and happier and just enjoying life. If you agree, hit that thumbs up. If you don't agree, I don't know what kind of life you live in. I really don't. But that's my 2 cents on the topic. What's your 2 cents? Do you believe that good sex is important in a relationship? I do. I really do. After a while, it's just gonna get boring. You're gonna get tired. You're gonna want more. Okay? And it's important for you to let your person know how you're feeling. Especially if you don't want to cheat. Like if that's not your thing, if you don't feel like going out there and being with other people and doing all this, like, let your person know and figure out what you need to do, whether it's toys or fingers or role playing or whatever it is that you need to do to spice up what's going on in your bedroom so you can get your rocks off. Go ahead and do that. And I'm a firm believer in a climax a day. A climax a day keeps the stress away. Okay? So if you can't have sex every night with your partner, honey, invest in a vibrator, okay? A detachable shower head. These little things will help your day go by so much smoother. Less tension, you know, all these things. And yes, I know masturbating is not always, you know, it's not going to fulfill the need of physical contact and stuff like that, but it can hold you over. It can hold you over until you meet up with your partner and y'all can get it on, you know. But hey, that's my take on it. Good sex is very important, and that's the importance of good sex, because it makes you feel better. It's as simple as that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. If you have any views on the topic, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. If you have a question for me that you're too embarrassed to ask in the comment section, go ahead and send me an email. It is in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face.